Hi again, welcome back to Buddy Knuckles' Garage. After an unseasonably cold snap of minus 15, minus 20, today it's actually plus 7, which is amazing. I'm only in a sweater and a hat, that's pretty amazing. Anyway, I was driving around not too long ago and the sound changed that the Hummer makes. I'm going to give you a quick preview, see if you can spot it. God damn it. Or it'll just do that. Pass lock. Okay, I guess I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, try number 2. Well, it worked that time. Sure those are supposed to be connected. Now to get that section out, this whole section here, to replace this whole thing with one piece, there's nuts on the end of those studs. We're going to spray some penetrating fluid in there. Give a little normally I would just ratchet and straight bar this thing out of here, but it's kind of a tight fit. What is this? 15 deep socket. Okay. So we're going to try cheating. This isn't the greatest one in the world, but we'll give it a try. Hell yeah. Sometimes it's just the way to go. Well, I should have left the nut on the other side while I was cracking both of them. There's a tip for you. So I'll put this one back on here. Oh my god, this would be like a million times easier with a hoist. Oh, you bugger, get on the... It's out. I won't say piece of cake, but at least it's out. Okay, now if we look at what's left here, the rusty old muffler attached to the pipe with a welded on clamp. Okay, well, let's get that off of there, then we can get the rest of the pipe out. Well, this bracket looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to get off of here. It's welded. There's not much I can look. It looks like it's welded, but otherwise I can use a grinder and cut it off. Take all this down. Just a pain in the butt. The rubber hangers are like frozen, so that's really easy to work with. They're not soft and pliable, to say the least. I hate winter. It's 4:30, the sun's already going down. Okay, so here's the old exhaust, new one. The old one is the rusty one. That shiny one's the new one. There's minor differences in the bends and stuff. The new one's also a bit longer, but one of the problems is that this one was too short, and it should have been that much longer. It was being pulled on by the rest of the exhaust. Anyway, up and over here, we're going to be using clamps and some copper gasket maker to hold this together. I was going to weld it, but until I get a new muffler, there's no point. So this will be good enough for now, get me through winter. So we're probably going to cut this off right about here somewhere, and then snug these two together, and then put it back up. Oh, that's not good. Let me guess. That's not gonna fit now. For F's sake. Alright, now it's pitch black out, which is awesome. Anyway, these flanges are going to line up, but they're not exactly that great. So we're gonna put a bunch of this between them before we bolt it up. Okay, delivery day. More stuff, more parts. Oh god, okay. So the collar I had was 2.5 inches on both sides, but this is a smidge wider. So that's what I got here. It's a bit wider on the one side. I tried grinding it down a bit just to help with the fitment. It does fit though. It's like it just barely fits, but it does fit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna moosh a bunch of that in there and let it set before we hook it up to the other pipe that's already in there. Not really sure how much of this to use, so we're just gonna goop it straight on. Okay, apparently that's a lot for how tight this is, so we're just gonna smooth it around a little bit with a stick that I found laying around. Looking pretty good there. Now, like I said before, this is just sort of a half measure, but I don't want to weld anything until I get a new muffler. But this one's not falling apart yet, so yeah, good enough. All right, try it again. There. Yep. Make sure it just comes to the end of the connection there. All right. Beauty. I'm gonna smooth it around the outside too. Why not? Why not? And you know, even in the end, if there's a little bit of a leak, that's okay. Because right now I have no muffler And it's loud as crap driving around my neighborhood. Okay, let's just let that set. I don't know how long it's going to take in the snow. I might bring it inside for a bit. Let it cure. What does it say on the thing here? It says, for best results, blah, blah, blah. Let dry for an hour, then tighten to torque specs. Allow 24 hours to cure. Okay, so give it an hour and we'll tighten up the bolts around there. Enjoy. Now we get to put this in the butt back up here. A little silicone spray on these rubber thingies. Where's the other one? There it is. I probably should have dry fit this first, come to think of it, but well, it's kind of late for that now. So, we'll just assume everything will work out just fine, like it always does when you're working on old vehicles. Right? Right. Okay. Little gasket stuff on there. Okay. No. Okay. So this has to go on first. Oh, got crap all over my glove. Oh, great. It's on there. It's not going anywhere, so I wanted this muffler to get through the other grommet here. But it's cold and frozen. I didn't put enough silicone spray in there, I guess. Oh, I'll fix it after. Fix it after? I don't know. It's so close though. Come on. Come on. Let's let that sit for an hour. And we'll come back and torque it up. And see how it goes. Whew. Oh, how's that? Oh, okay. All right. There we have it. Exhaust repair, no welding, just a good clamp, some copper high temp gasket maker, and we're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you all on next video.